Actually, I was going to share this, something I didn't, two things I didn't share with you. One of them was another victory. Since being on the program, I've gotten a good night's sleep every night.
Yes.
Before that, I didn't get a good night's sleep for 7 years. I averaged between 2 and 3 hours of sleep for 7 years.
Wow. Go from 30% to 60% a lot more rapidly. It just now we're very little on potassium, on sodium. I'm already keeping it as low as possible so that way you can at least have calories. And let's get your kidneys so you can actually get off this machine and eat.
Yes. Hi, ladies. I want to share that I've been consistently urinating 6 days straight. And I haven't done that in about 2 months.
Yeah, that's excellent. Recovering from inflammation, or when you actually go on this protocol, what happens is your kidneys start repairing themselves.
I haven't taken insulin since I started this.
Oh, that's so awesome.
That's incredible. That's actually, so you only started 10 days ago, right?
Right.
The initial goal was to get you off dialysis in 30 days, but maybe it's going to happen sooner.
No, that would be great.
Look. Can I say something about dialysis? So then from day one, when I walk out of there, when I walk out for the last time, I'm not coming back. They have an achievements board, and the achievement board says how long people been on dialysis or their amounts of treatment. Mine's going to say no more treatments.
I love that.
Your enthusiasm, it's inspiring to us. It makes us so happy.
His energy level is really increased too.
Amazing. And you never know how much your body can heal until you give it what it needs. And actually, when he's after dialysis, we can actually increase all of his healing foods to the point so that way his kidneys can repair even more rapidly.